Hello, so I'm going to make these teeny tiny lovely cards today. I'll start with the first card. Let's create a nice imaginary landscape for this one. Begin with a wash and then create a nice skyline. Do add some darker shades of blue also. This will create a nice stormy effect. Creating these small tiny cards is not only fun, but they work like thumbnails for your larger work. What I mean by that is you can plan your scene, you can plan your layout, you can think of where the light source is coming from and the overall structure of the painting. I'm going to lift off some color carefully with my tissue paper so that it creates nice clouds for me. I'm just going to add some blobs of color for creating trees. I was hoping for it to spread really nicely. I'm not too thrilled with the way it looks right now. This is where watercolors can make you a bit frustrated, but the best part of it is you can wipe it all off and create a different tree line. Giving a very light blue to the water. I will let it dry after this and then work on the next step. Now adding some nice simple grass to the scene using a darker green. I'm also going to add tiny dots of red, white, yellow maybe. To enhance the scene, you can skip this step if you like. And we're done. It took me 15 minutes to make this card and it was great fun. For the second card, I decided to go with the field of flowers. I wet the paper and started giving dots of yellow, green and orange. Paper is still wet and I'm going to give some strokes of darker green for stems. Adding a few more dots for leaves. And now create your pretty flowers. After the paper dries, I'm going to highlight a few stems and a few flowers. And now I'm going to splatter some color on it. And that is all. It's going to look very pretty after it dries. So let's start working on the third card. This is the most simple card and it's so much fun to do. We are going to create an imaginary seascape. Pick up some lovely blues and create the skies. Pick up a yellow ochre, add a lot of water to it and paint the beach. We are also going to create some fun grass on the beach. I bet you've noticed that I've left some space between the sky and the beach, and that is where we are going to paint our sea. Use a slightly darker tone of blue and leave a lot of white spaces so it gives you an illusion of waves. I'm going to add a tiny bird to fill the sky. You can absolutely decide if you want to add a flock of birds or a single bird or no bird at all. Now let's remove the tape. Here's the imaginary beach. And the field of flowers. Isn't it lovely? And here's the imaginary landscape. I did add a few branches for the trees at the back. Do give it a go. Let me know which one's your favorite. Thanks for watching.